Nihal and welcome back to my channel Rock and Roll with Ankita. Hey there, if you don't know me, I'm Ankita Mishra Narkar. I'm an ex-cabin crew and right now I'm a happy-go-lucky homemaker. Thank you so much guys. If you are liking my channel, you have subscribed so far, you are sharing your comments, your views. I'm truly grateful to you all, and if you have still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and hit that red button and make it grey right now. So today I'm going to share with you my journey, my road trip to Dasmantpur Koraput in Odisha. There's a short story behind it I would like to share with you all. It is my birthplace and I was born there. My father is a doctor and it was his first posting over there, and obviously we had our quarters, and I was born in that same quarter in the hands of my father in the bedroom. Yes, I was born in my bedroom, and my father and my uncle, he is also a doctor, my Mosaji. So they both have done my mother's delivery, and I was born right on my dad's hand. Isn't it incredible? Just imagine how lucky child I am who's been born in the hands of a dad, you know. Yes, I truly am. As you know, my father is a government employee, so they get transfers. That was his first posting, and they get transferred from this place to that place and that place. And all my childhood, just imagine, we have roamed like that everywhere, to every small little villages, and मेरा बचपन बिल्कुल वैसा ही था, you know. मेरा और मेरे भाई का बचपन ऐसा ही था. So I was about to get born और मेरे डैड को ट्रांसफ़र ऑर्डर्स आए that you are being transferred to some other place in Odisha and you have to wind up like really quick. My mom's delivery was due and I was born in that quarter. My father did my delivery, and can you imagine, can you believe, I was just 10 days old, just 10 days old, very delicate little child, and all of us had to move. Like, who takes 10 days old child on a journey, you know? It's it's really shocking. The neighbors, आस पड़ोस जितने भी थे, they all were like telling my dad, don't sir, please don't go, she will not survive, you know. And that time the communication was not easy. We neither had cars, bikes, what, you had to literally go on bus from one place to another. Then sometimes आपको लटक लटक के जाना पड़ता था. कम्युनिकेशन इतना नहीं था. वो जो प्लेस है, यू नो, इट्स अ वेरी रूरल प्लेस, इट्स अ ट्राइबल प्लेस. दशमंतपुर कोरापुट इज़ फेमस फॉर इट्स ट्राइब. इट्स अ वेरी ट्राइबल प्लेस. और उस ज़माने में वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं था, लाइक कुछ भी नहीं. आफ्टर 6:30 in the evening you have to lock yourself inside the rooms because वहाँ पे कभी भी जंगली जानवर आ जाते थे. वो पूरा जंगल था, ट्राइबल एरिया था, और वहाँ के लोग लाइक 6:30 के बाद दे आर ऑल लॉक्ड अप इन द रूम्स. वो इतना डरावना था. दो इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस, बट या दैट वाज द स्टोरी. So everybody told कि 10 दिन की बच्ची है, मत लेके जाइए, she will not survive, but duty is God, right? That's what my father has taught me always. Duty is God, work is worship. Always believe in that, and I am been doing that all my life. So yes, my father, my mom, and my elder brother, who was then 3 years old, we had to move, and voila, I survived. While reaching to the next place, the next destination, I was all okay, and just we were about to reach the next destination, and I cried because I was hungry, you know, and I was tired, and I was just 10 days old, delicate little child, and everybody was like shocked at that moment, like she's not stopping, continuously crying, and we are sure she's not going to survive anymore, you know, something wrong happened. But yeah, I survived. I'm here in front of you, featuring in Rock and Roll with Ankita. From that day onwards, my dad, when I grew up, and then when I started the job, then I used to come back home. My dad was behind me that, listen, we have to go to Dashmantpur, Koraput. I have to show you your birthplace. So I was like, yeah, dad, next time. Yeah, dad, definitely we'll go. Yeah, for sure we will go. Every time I used to give these excuses because when I was abroad, I used to hardly come once in a year for 15 days, and I just wanted to rest, eat everything that my mom cooked, and I want to make the most of it, when I'm home. Because staying abroad all alone all this while, it's a very tough task, a lot of sacrifices you have to do. So I wanted to spend my time at home. Finally this time, every time now, even I used to go home, my father is like, will you not see your birthplace? I really want to take you there. I want to show you. Yeah, dad, next time. Yeah, dad, next time. But finally this time, I don't know what happened to me. I put my foot down and I said, you know what, dad, let's go. If not now, we cannot go ever. There is no tomorrow. Today we have to do it. And the plan was just made within a fraction of a second that yes, we are going. And after 2 days we were hitting the road. Yes, from Sambalpur to Dashmantpur, Koraput, it was 410 kilometers. Yeah. And we took our car and we went on a road trip. My mom, my dad, me, and my Superman, Mamaji. Without Mamaji, it was impossible, So we took our cars and we hit the road, 400 kilometers. It was winter. The days are shorter in winter, It's a tribal area. You have to go through the mountains. And the pressure was that we have to reach there the same day before the sun sets, so that I can actually see the water. And what was the fun part? We really didn't know if that quarter exists, if the people which my father and mother knew, they still survived. Because after that, the quarters that I remember from my time when I was grown up enough, they already demolished that, for other places that I have been. So my heart was just beating like anything, like because you go there 410 kilometers in a hurry. You have to reach the same day before sunset, and then you find out, imagine that there is no quarters, there is nothing there I was born that I can see. How would you feel? Exactly. So yeah, but we were like, let's go, let's do it. Dar ke aage jeet hai, We went, we reached there, and this is the outcome, Just in this vlog, I would like to share my road trip to Koraput, Dashmantpur. I want to show you how beautiful that place is. And yes, let's find out if the quarters are demolished or still exist. Yeah, let's get started. So we started our journey at 7:30 a.m. This is Athapalli Chowk, where we live. So the route goes like this: Athapalli to Bolangir via Binka, then to Kesinga, Bhawanipatna, Kashipur via Karlapart Wildlife Sanctuary, then to Tikiriguma, and finally Dashmantpur. After visiting Dashmantpur, we went to Koraput and we had our night stay there. This we entered Binka, and the next stop was Bolangir for us. Here we reached Bolangir, और पेट पूजा तो करना ही था. Finally, I found the authentic Odia breakfast, which is Buguni Aludam. This is the first time I was having it. Basically, this is the dahi vada that you make, but they put chana on top of it with some farsan and some chaat masala. First time I tasted it, but I must say it was yumilicious. Soon after crossing Bolangir, we found this beautiful spot. अब इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है तो थोड़ा देर ठहरना तो लाजिम था. Just look at this view. Wow. Isn't it spectacular? Odisha, mo Odisha, kide sundara raijo mora, kide mitha mo bhasa. I love this song. I love this song and I love my Orissa. Just look how beautiful it is. After Bolangir, our next stop was Karlapart Wildlife Sanctuary. We already crossed Kesinga and Bhavani Patna. We entered Kashipur and this is where we reached Karlapart Wildlife Sanctuary. It has a beautiful waterfall. It's called Fullicharan Waterfall. So I'll show you how it is. We had to walk down almost like 1 kilometer down and there lies the waterfall. So let's go quickly and I'll show you how spectacular the waterfall was. Can you hear the sound of waterfall here? Yes, we are approaching. Yoo-hoo! And here it is. Wow! I was so excited because after so long I came to some waterfall. बचपन में तो यार बड़े पिकनिक गए थे हम इस ये वाटरफॉल वो वाटरफॉल बट काफ़ी अरसे बाद मुझे इतना खूबसूरत वाटरफॉल देखने को मिला थैंक्स टू माय मामा जी who insisted us to stop here. And just look at this how clear the water was and can you spot small little fishies out there? Yeah, can you? मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि उनको मैं बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ कैप्चर करूं बट वो इधर उधर भाग जाते. Just look at this. Finally it was time to say goodbye to Fullicharan waterfall and now the next stop was here where we had our lunch in a dhaba. So this was our lunch, a full power pack thali and omelette on side. After lunch we started our journey because हमें काफ़ी जल्दी पहुंचना था and now the road starts. It actually the Koraput Dasmantpur road starts from here. The road was all through like this until Koraput. Like पहाड़ों के बीच में you will go. दोनों तरफ पहाड़ and बीच में there was a small rasta and you just enjoy the view and you go until Dashmantpur. Just before approaching Dashmantpur, we halted, and this is where I got a chance to shoot properly. Just look at this. Everywhere there is mountain. This was Tikriguma. Yay, and we finally reached Dasmantpur. This was the CHC where my dad was doctor, and the quarter lies there. So we were just inquiring in the hospital that where does the quarter is and who's the doctor right now, so that we can go and visit the quarter. Our footstep approaching और दिल की धड़कनें भी तेज हो रही है. And we found out that yes, there is still the quarter remains, and this was it. This is the same very quarter, guys, where I was born. And finally, my dad was so happy that this is the quarter. Yes, it still exists, and let's see who the doctor was. So to take the permission, and we could go inside and see the rooms. Finally, the moment of truth. Yes, this is the room where I was born, and it still exists. Can you believe this? And I was a little scared to shoot because it is someone else's house now, but still I did it. And this is the bedroom actually, where my mom and dad used to stay that time. So this was my mom and dad's bedroom. And now a bachelor doctor is staying, so this is little in this condition. So beside the bedroom, the room, there I was born. And this was the veranda. And here my dad had a short story that he was narrating. This was the kitchen, and this is still the kitchen. And my mom and dad, they were literally getting goosebumps here, that it is exactly the same as it was. So my mom was showing me everywhere there where they did their basera the very first time my dad got posted in this Dashmantpur, and they stayed in the very same quarter, and I was born in the very same quarter. Amazing. So this was the vicinity around. It remains the same. The quarter remains the same, but it was an open area where they were really scared of wild animals, and now it's all built into different offices. So it was changed completely. House belongs to the lovely neighbor who were my parents' neighbor then. They are still there. And these two were my mother's house help. They're still alive. Enjoy few pictures. This was the hospital. This was the Karlapart Fullizharan waterfall. Few pictures clicked there. Unfortunately, I don't have the pictures of my Superman Mamaji, but I have pictures of ours. This was on the way return from Koraput. We did one night stay in Koraput, and the other day way back in Koraput we have Jagannath Mandir, same as Jagannath Puri. So have a look at this also. It's a beautiful temple. So this was all the bhesa that Jagannath Bhagwan has. So they have all the bhesa, Raghunath bhesa, Hathi bhesa. See? So this was the beautiful Jagannath temple of Koraput. So this was the last thing that we had done in Koraput. So after getting up in the morning, we went to the mandir, and from the mandir straight we headed back to Sambalpur because we have to reach Sambalpur the same night. But still, I was not over it. Just look at this. It was such a beautiful temple. Now these two pictures I got to show you guys. This is the very same bedroom I was talking about where my brother's picture was taken. And the next picture, this one, this is the vicinity in front of the quarter. This was this open area that time, but now it is full of offices. And finally, thank you so much, my lovely viewers, for being a part of this very emotional journey of mine. I really can't thank you enough. Lots of love to you all. So, did you get goosebumps little? Yes? Oh my god, I did definitely. I was so excited to meet those lovely people and see the quarter, the room that I was born, you know. It was just incredible. I don't remember anything. I don't remember those people. Of course, I was only 10 days old. But my mom and dad, you know, they all recognized my mom and dad, and such a warm welcome we got there. I can't tell you guys. And they were all like just cuddling me, and they're like, oh my gosh, she's the 10 days old child. Look at her now. Oh my gosh, she's already married. It was incredible. It was an incredible journey, guys. I am so glad that I made this decision. And I went there, and I met those people. I saw those water. I would like to say I am one of the most luckiest child in this earth. First, why? Because I have got those incredible parents of mine who supported us in every decision they made. They have done so much of struggle. They grew us. They gave us good education, and till now they keep us supporting us. Secondly, I mean, which father would say, let's go like 400 kilometers road trip and we will see your birthplace? It's like, ऐसा टाइम आता है जब बच्चों को करना पड़ता है, राइट, अपने मॉम डैड के लिए कि चलिए हम आपको यहाँ घुमाने ले जाते हैं, वहाँ ले जाते हैं, हम ये दिखाते हैं, हम वो दिखाते हैं. लेकिन हमारे यहाँ ये दोनों तरफ से चलता है, विच आई एम रियली प्राउड अबाउट माई फैमिली. जो हमने भी किया, मेरे भैया ने किया, हम लाइक हमारा ड्यूटी था दैट लेट्स टेक आवर मॉम डैड अब्रॉड, एंड वी हैव डन दैट. एंड आई मीन, which parent says, you know, कौन से मॉम डैड बोलते हैं कि चलो हम तुम्हारा बर्थ प्लेस दिखाने ले जाते हैं, और वो मुझे इतनी खुशी से अपना बर्थ प्लेस दिखाते हैं, एंड दे मीट दैट सच पीपल, एंड दे आर they got such warm welcome. We all came back from there heavy heartedly, you know. I don't know those people, you know, I don't remember them, of course, but looking at them and their happiness, looking at the glow in my mom's and dad's eyes, I felt like, wow, this is life, you know. This is an incredible life that you have been blessed, I have got one of the best parents in the world, and yeah, I'm getting a little emotional talking about this. I'm sorry, but yeah. And at last, I would love to thank my Superman Mama Ji to make this happen, because without him, it was impossible that we drive to a tribal place through the mountains 410 kilometers. It was only him who made it possible within 2 days, you know. आज के लिए बस इतना ही, guys. If you like this vlog, please like, share, subscribe. इस ब्लॉग के साथ मेरा बहुत ही इमोशनल मोमेंट्स जुड़े हुए हैं मेरे लाइफ के. सो मेरे लिए ना सही आप अगर अपने पेरेंट्स से प्यार करते हैं तो उसकी वजह से प्लीज़ एक लाइक तो ज़रूर बनता है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से एट द एंड ऑफ दिस ब्लॉग दैट सिर्फ माँ बाप का सपना पूरा करना ज़रूरी नहीं होता है, बल्कि जितने भी एल्डरली पर्सन हैं जो आपके लाइफ से जुड़े हुए हैं या फिर आपके लाइफ से जुड़े भी ना हो, यू नो, अगर कोई एल्डरली पर्सन आपसे कुछ रिक्वेस्ट करता है और कुछ करवाना चाहता है, सो इट इज़ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू फुलफिल दोज ड्रीम्स. In return, they don't want anything. This is an only relationship that in return they don't want anything from you, but what they get is smile on their face, you know, and the glitter in their eyes. And when you see that in your parents' eyes, that is one of the most incredible thing that you can do. So there's a request from my side that not only your parents but any elderly person who wants you to do something for them, please go ahead and do it, you know. So this was all for today. Bye bye, see you, tada, ciao ciao, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, बहुत सारा प्यार बांटिए, अपने बड़े बुजुर्गों का सम्मान कीजिए, जितना हो सके उन्हें प्यार दीजिए, एंड रिमेंबर ऑल दे वांट इज स्माइल.